G'day, I'm Mark Hoth and welcome to Swift Almanac, where we teach you the basics of Swift in 10 minutes or less. Today's lesson is sets. So let's have a look at sets in 10 minutes or less. A set stores distinct values of the same type in a collection with no defined ordering. They are useful if order is not important and you want to avoid duplicates. A type must be hashable in order to be stored in a set. The type must provide a hash value for itself such that if A equals B, then A.hash value equals B.hash value. Now this is true for all the basic types, int, double, string and boolean. Personally, I think there's very little use for sets, at least in programming, but in the operating system they're used to build on other functions. So to create and initialize an empty set, we create a variable called letters, and we have this set keyword and the less than, greater than subjects of characters, and then we can go print letters is of type set of characters with letters.count items, and it's got 0 items currently. It's similar to using an array. We can insert an A, so then letters now contains A, and then we can create an empty set just by using these array braces. Now letters will be empty, but it will still be of the data type a set of characters. So we'll create a new variable names, which is a set of strings, and into that we will place this array of strings, Anne, Belinda and Christine, and then we can remove all of them, and that will create an empty set. We can check that names is empty, and that is returning true, and then we can insert Anne, Barry and Drew, and we can print out for the name, in the names, print the name, and we can see down here we get Barry, Anne and Drew, and as you can see they are not in any defined order. So if order is important, you can't use sets. So set arithmetic, if you did sets in school, then you can use maths like this. You can say A dot union B, A dot subtracting B, A dot intersection B, and A dot symmetric difference of B. You can use the equivalence test to see if these sets are identical. You can use the is subset test to see if all the values of subset 1 are in subset 2, and you can use is superset, are all the values of subset 2 in subset 1. You can also use is a strict subset or is a strict superset, and in that case, are they a subset, superset, but not equal, that is, one is smaller or greater than the other. And you can also use the keyword is disjoint, do the two sets have no values in common at all. So if you do need to use sets, you might want to go into some of these more complex mathematical algorithms, but I think for general programming, you're unlikely to come across them. Well, that's it for sets. If you have any question about the tutorial, then please leave a comment below or hit me up on Twitter @SwiftAlmanac. Please subscribe to the channel, it's free, and check out our website at www.swiftalmanac.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.